Hi all! So what's the difference between this old Optimate 6 Select and this, the brand new Optimate 6 Select Gold Series? Well, you have three main differences. First of all, this new Gold Series has a push button to select your charge program, which makes it quicker and easier to select. You still have the 14.4 volt program, the 14.7 volt program, and of course, the power supply mode to choose from. Secondly, this new Gold Series has more power. It can charge with up to 6 amps into your 12 volt battery, which gives you 120% more charging power. Last but not least, the new Optimate 6 Select Gold Series uses 50% less energy to give you 6 amps of charging power. So this eco-friendly charger saves you money on the long term. And Optimate is also doing its part for the environment, giving all of our new chargers a plastic-free packaging from now on. So there you have it, the three main differences for our new Optimate 6 Select Gold Series. Now, if you have a more specific question on one of the chargers, put it in the comments below and we'll help you out. Bye-bye!